Today we'll show you how to add a deposit to a quote. A deposit is typically used when a company needs to charge an upfront amount before moving forward. This can cover on-site measurements, holding materials, or the time and work involved in preparing the quote. It's important to note that deposits and quotes work very similarly to payments and invoices. If you don't usually create an invoice after the quote, you can still manage payments through the deposit section inside the quote, since both follow the same logic for registering and tracking payments. You can create a new quote by clicking New Order in the main menu. You can also create a project in Drawing and generate a quote from there. I'll open an existing quote from the List of Orders page. After opening the quote, you'll see the full list of items added to this customer's order. In this case, the customer is requesting a project that includes a countertop and an island in Alaska white, as well as a sink, a faucet, and additional services. Scrolling down below Description and Activities, you'll find the Deposits section. Click the icon next to it. Now fill in the deposit details. Select the payment method. Enter the reference number. Choose who the deposit will be paid to in Deposit To. Set the due date. In Value, you can switch between percentage and fixed amount by clicking the icons. Use the percentage icon to apply a percentage, or the dollar icon to enter a fixed value. In Payment Date, enter the date when the payment was actually made. In Paid Value, enter how much was paid on that date. Again, you can switch between percentage or fixed amount. If needed, you can add a note to include additional details. Then, click Save. Done. Your deposit has now been added to the quote. If the terms of payment include installments, you don't need to add them manually. In this example, my customer is using net 30 days, and I previously configured 3 installments in the Order Setup page. So I'll delete this deposit to show how to add the installments automatically. Now, simply click Add Installments in the top right corner. Done. Here are the 3 installments generated based on the customer's terms of payment. On the right side of each installment, you'll find a few useful options. By clicking the PDF icon, you can download a document with the payment details to send to your customer. Using the envelope icon, you can notify your customer by email and attach the payment PDF. Then click Send. The trash icon allows you to delete a payment, and the pencil icon lets you edit it. Here's the change made. As the project moves forward, you can update the quote status here or directly from the List of Orders page. These statuses can also be set up on the Setup page, along with taxes and terms of payment. Make sure to check out that tutorial as well. That's it for today. If you want to see how SlabWare can help you organize and grow your stone business, visit SlabWare.com and start your free trial today. If you have any questions, our support team is ready to help. Follow the channel, turn on notifications, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next tutorial, folks!